Hello everyone. Alright, here we are, number 42. So today I'm going to probably get this door done today. Got the hinge in the location that I want. Have to go ahead and bolt that through. Get the door put on there, check it out, make sure everything works good. Work on my light pods today. Get both of these tied in, glassed in, finished up. Got the windows done. So gotta get my mounting hardware and my seal put on those. A tiny bit more work left on that. And then it is paint and body time. So, is the other window in? Alright, it's coming together. It's going a lot faster now. So, the inside, a little bit of body work on the walls, and I'll go ahead and paint those. Alright, guys. Catch you in the next one.